Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Christiana and I am Tiana Food and Lifestyle. It's your first time, welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you. And today I'll be showing you how I made this chicken broccoli stir fry. Pretty easy. Join me until the end. So I'll be making use of some broccoli and cauliflower and bell peppers, chicken, and some other ingredients. Do well to check description box to see the complete ingredients. The first thing I'll be doing is to put some olive oil into the pot like so. Clean pot on medium heat on the stove. Put in my onions that is already chopped and then give it a little fry like so. And the next thing I'll be doing is to put in my chopped garlic. Bring it together, allow it to fry for a bit. And then I'll go in with my already chopped or cut chicken. Now I'm making use of chicken breast for this. I already washed and cut this into little cubes like this, or little sizes, because you want them to come out in sizes like this. And then I add in my spices. Do well to check my description box and you see all the spices I use. I put it there with the measurement. And then once all this goes in, I put in my bay leaf, just one bay leaf like so. And then I add in some thyme and I give it a mix. So the ingredients, the spices mix together. Once this is mixed, I also leave it to stir fry for 10 minutes until you have the juice of the chicken out like so. And then the next thing I do, I take it out and I put it in my air fryer like this in order for it to get air fried. I'll be air frying this for 20 minutes and then I set the pot aside. 20 minutes after, fast forward, this is what I get. And then this is what we'll be using for this recipe. And then in my pan, I put in some butter. I put in some chopped onions like so. And then I go in with my air fried chicken. I bring it to a mix like so the onion will mix into the chicken as I allow it to keep frying on low heat. And then I go in with my habanero pepper. That's optional. If you don't do pepper, that's fine, but I love my pepper in my meal, so I just put in my habanero pepper, just one, and then stir. Put in some spice and then put in some of the chicken stock that came out. This is to enable the juice of the chicken even more and to soak into the chicken while cooking, so it will give it a complete taste. Then I go in and mix it like this. Allow this to cook for 5 minutes. After then I go in with my broccoli and my cauliflower. Now this is already washed. Remember to wash your veggies when you buy them from the grocery. Don't just assume they have washed for you. Remember to wash. If possible, use salt and rinse it. Give it a good rinse before you use it to cook. And then I go in with my broccoli and my cauliflower like so and give it some stir to make everything mix like this. This looks good already. This is super fast, easy, no big deal to this. All you need to do is just put everything together, get it done, and you're ready. And then I bring everything to a mix like so. Make sure to taste, to check for salt, to check for seasoning. Just taste to make sure everything is cooked. And you don't want to cook this when it already has the broccoli for too long, you know, it still comes out crunchy and good, still tasty. I go in, put in my bell pepper like so, the green and the red. See how colorful this looks, and everything is still crunchy. I just wanted to get some heat and some juice from the chicken, bring everything like so, and this is done on low heat. I'm checking for taste, and it tastes absolutely balanced. The next thing I'm going to be doing after I stir fry like this, I turn off my heat and then I serve. This is ready to go. Give this a try and tell me how yours turned out in the comment section. You can make use of whatever you have. I just garnish with my spring onions now, you know, just to give it that complete look and taste. This is just a complete meal. And then I just want to say thank you if you stayed to now for watching this video. And if you're a returning subscriber, I just want to say a big thank you for your subscriptions and for helping my channel grow. And also, if you're a first-time subscriber, thank you. You're welcome to my channel, and thank you for always being a part of my community as well. So I'll just go in and serve this. Now you can have this just like this. You can have it with any dish you prefer, but I'll be having it with basmati rice. If you stayed up to now, thank you, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.